What?
I got this. Okay, he's gonna go down one of these seconds.
Hey, Mikey. You having fun? He's going. He does not seem to mind at all.
He is loving life.
Oh, he hit the couch.